Okay, today's video is about making banana bread. I actually got some tremendous deal at the grocery store, so I bought extra bananas. So I can make banana bread so we can eat it. Also, I can put some in the freezer. For my recipe, I use this very old edition of the Fannie Farmer cookbook. I've had this forever. As you can see, it's duct taped and everything. This is what I use for my banana bread recipe. It's excellent. All right, so you're gonna start off with 3 ripe bananas. And I have my mixer right here. We're gonna put it right in the bowl. So there's 2, and there's 3. Okay, to that I'm gonna add 2 eggs. My eggs have been out to get room temperature, so they actually work a little better if you get them to room temperature. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and raise my bowl and mix that up. Okay, to this mixture we're going to add 2 cups of flour and 3/4 cup of sugar. Minus the bay leaves. I put bay leaves in my flour to keep it from getting pantry moths and stuff. Okay, that's 1. And that's 2. And 3/4 cup of sugar, and now we're going to mix it again. Okay, the last things we need to add is 1 teaspoon size of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, we'll do our final mix before putting it in our pan. All right, and there you have it. Simple as that. I have an already greased pan ready to go. I'm gonna pour this in it. Now, just for variety, you can add all kinds of nuts. Walnuts works best, but if there's other things you like to put in your banana bread, go ahead. And we're gonna go ahead and put this in here, and it's gonna go in the oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour. Spread it nice and even in the pan. And it's ready to go in the oven. Okay, so our oven is set at 350 degrees. And I'm going to place the banana bread in the oven. I'm putting more in, so I'm going to put this off to the side because I'm going to be adding others. So now that will cook for 1 hour, and when it's done, we'll be back and see how it looks. And there we have our first banana bread that's done. You can see it springs back, so you know that it's done, and we'll have to cut and serve in a little bit. So I just wanted to show you the others that I had made. I used a tastefully simple pan for one of them, so that came really good. And then that's the other one, so I made 4 altogether. Okay, so here's our finished loaf of banana bread, and I'm going to slice it, and we have Joey here to do the taste test.
Hey everyone.
I'm sorry.
While mom was slaving over a hot stove in the kitchen, I was actually helping her out by tearing down walls in her office, so hopefully to make her more room.
Yes, I need room. I need to fix the kitchen up nicer too. So here we go. I'm gonna slice this. It's nice and moist. Really looks good. Hey, cut while you're filming. Wow, that's a whole nother thing.
And no, this is not OSHA approved. Do not try this at home. I have a lot of faith in Mom. That was way too much butter. Perfect.
The official taste test is... I made you laugh.
Like every other piece of banana or every other loaf of banana bread you've made in my lifetime.
How many's that been? We don't want to count.
Too many to count. So anyway, I think that's going to do it for this one, right, Mom?
Yep.
So anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up down below. Leave us a comment, and if you want to see more in the future, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.